This is a Range Rover Velar key. I'm going to show you how you can change the battery. So you need the key and the battery, which is a CR2032 battery. So with the battery, you need to take the silver strip off. You'll see a small little arrow at the bottom. So you just slide it that way. That just clips up and pulls off. And then you'll see the blade itself. So pull the blade out. You can pull the blade down, and then you can put it inside the little hole. You see a little hole there. And just basically give it a turn. What it does, it clips the back and the front off. Now the back's come off. Put the back down, and then you can just slide the battery. Grab your nail or something sharp, and just pull the battery out. Put the battery one side. What I always do is just push it down, just to make sure that when you put the new battery in, it's nice and tight. Then you pop the new battery out. It just simply slides right in there. And then you put the back, line it up. Just give it a little bit of pressure and it closes, and then you can slide the key back in, the key blade, put the little lid on, and you'll see it's got a little L shape there, so make sure the L shape is facing downwards, and then push it right there and just give it a bit of a squeeze and it slides down. And that's it. That's how you change the battery.